All systems fully functional and energy levels sufficient.
This is Nyssa. Nyssa is an experiment in object tracking using the Raspberry Pi camera connected to a Raspberry Pi running OpenCV. So the code is written in Python. The structure is 3D printed from a set of files that's on Thingiverse called PIR the robot, P-I-A. PIR, the author said it was inspired by Mira, M-I-R-A, which is a robot, that similar looking robot on that was shown on the tested channel. The original concept for the tracking code I got from a Clayton Darwin. I'll put that link in the description. He describes how he used the OpenCV software to track an image.
There is no point in hiding, my sensors can detect you.
And then this will light up green when Nyssa sees an object moving.
Object classified. Angular.
If that object is stationary, Nyssa no longer tracks it, and the head will go back to center position. So the head can go up and down as well as left and right.
Object tracked, object identified, object classified. Interact.
And so Nyssa runs the Raspberry Pi in headless mode, so I just need 5 volts to supply the Raspberry Pi and the electronics. I have an external set of speakers, but Nyssa also has internal speakers, but because of the body they're not very loud.
There is no point in hiding, my sensors can detect you.
This is the internal of Nyssa.
There is no point in
3
hiding, my
servos,
sensors can detect you.
2 speakers, 5-watt amplifier,
Object identified,
kill switch
object classified.
to shut this off,
Object tracked, object identified, object
servo driver
classified.
board,
Interact.
the Raspberry Pi, and sitting on the Raspberry Pi is a Raspberry Pi hat. Internal to the dome
Current tracked objects
we have the
known to
Raspberry
be
Pi
erratic.
camera, and at the back we have a power lead coming in, 5 volts, and an external speaker if required. Internal of the head, you just have a couple small magnets and some felt there to stop it running. That clips onto these 2 magnets there.